Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Coinbase transaction history. Need your Coinbase transaction history for taxes or tracking your investments? Here's exactly how to do it step by step. So let's start by following these few simple steps together. We're going to start by the first step, which is to sign in to Coinbase.com. Now, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. So make sure to head to your web browser and search for Coinbase. Then you're gonna go to Coinbase.com website. After that, in the website, you're gonna make sure to sign in if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account already, you can click on sign up and click on login and create an account. Once you create an account, the second thing is to sign into that account. You're gonna sign into that account. Then you're going to select your transaction in the navigation bar. Now, you can use either your desktop or your Coinbase app. And after that, you're going to go and click on your profile icon in the top right corner where you're going to select reports. After you select your reports, you're going to generate the transaction history. You're going to look for transaction history or account statements. Then you're going to choose a date range you want. For example, last year or custom dates. And then you're going to choose your preferred format, usually CSV or PDF. Once you choose that format, you're going to click on Generate Report, and then you're going to click on the download. And once ready, you're going to save the file to your computer. And if the file doesn't download immediately, check your email. Sometimes Coinbase sends a secure download link. And that's how you download your Coinbase transaction history. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.